Hello dear students, in today's video lecture we will see an assembly language program. So we will just see a statement for the problem. Write an assembly language program to add the contents of register 0x40 to the content of file register 0x41 and store the result in file register 42. Okay, so firstly, I will just like to tell you the steps which are involved in finding out the solution. Read the statement very carefully whenever you are trying to attempt the problems. So, firstly, the important thing to be noted, we are supposed to write a ALP. ALP stands for Assembly Language Program. For what we are supposed to write the program? For addition. Second thing is clear. Okay. To add the contents of register 0x40 to the contents of file register 0x41 and finally the result to be stored is in 0x42. Okay, so here you can see, okay, that you have to write a program for addition where two registers are given. So which are the two registers which are given? See, the one which I am marking with red color are the two registers which are given. It is nothing but 0x40, that is this one, it is called as R1, okay, and 0x41, this is called as R2. Okay, these are the two registers. These are not the values, okay, not values, these are register. So whatever contains the register, in the register we will be adding them. Okay, so the result is to be stored in the location 0x42. okay, the one in black I have marked is the location where we have to store the result of addition. Now check the data is given or not. Okay, above in this numerical doesn't have the data. Okay, all are the register locations, that is we have to add the register 1 plus register 2. Okay, and store the result in what? Register 3. Okay, so write the sequential instruction for this. So for this we should know, or we should try to recall the instructions. Okay, so important things to be noted is which type of instruction are to be used here. As it's a mathematical or the arithmetic operation, yeah, we do need to use the arithmetic instruction. Along with that we have to transfer the data, so we need to use a data transfer instruction as well. So in arithmetic operations we have to use the add instruction. Okay, we have to use the add instruction. So what will be the first step? It will be this, that is load the contents of memory location 0x40 to the working register. It means this is the location. Whatever contents are there in this location, you load that contents to working register. Okay, so as I told you that we have two registers. Okay, then second step is add the contents of 0x41 location to the contents of W and store the result in W. Now see here, whatever were the contents, we have loaded them here in W. Okay, whatever the contents may be, here data is not given, so don't worry about that data. Okay, but now W is going to have some value. So add the contents of 0x41, this is second register. So whatever contents we have here are to be added with W, you can see here, and again place the result in working register. Step number 3 is copy the contents of W to the file register 0x42. Why? Because it is told that your result should be available in the register which is at location 0x42. Okay, so we will see what are the programs instructions which we have written. Do writing a program, follow these steps only. There should be a mnemonic, operand and the explanation or comments whenever you write the instructions. Okay, so the first step was transferring the data, right? So we have move f instruction. So we have move f 0x40 comma w. So this instruction we are going to use. So you should remember the format of move f, okay, that is how many operands are required, what is the format and all. Okay, so I hope it's very clear. So it is going to load the contents of memory location 0x40 to w. So this instruction is going to load the contents of memory location 0x40 to w, but see, you should know the formats of this instruction. Move f is having a format move f da. Okay, so 0x40 will be taken as a full address of f. Okay, if a is equal to 0, make use of access bank, and 40 is nothing but the location in access bank. Okay, so you have to keep this thing in mind. Then is the second instruction, add wf. Okay, add wf. A is equal to 0 by default according to the format. This 41h is nothing but the location coming from the access bank. So actual location is 0x041. Okay, and w with f is equal to 0x41, result in w if w is equal to 1, but here result will be in 0x41, but where we have to store the result, we have to store it in 42. But this add wf instruction, it will add the contents of 0x41 to the contents with w, and again it stores the result in w. So in order to transfer or move the contents to the location 0x42, we have to use move wf. It means contents of w will be moved to the file register location, that is 0x42. So in this way you can just write the program for adding two numbers where the register locations were specified but not the data. Thank you.